Tobago, and I warn the people from away. Don't come Trinidad, people in America, spread a little rock bullet and we build up this line. I have some message to all you. I have some facts to all you, Trinidad and Tobago. Because you know why? This is my chance of running by. This is my time. The man they call Mr. Killer. I talk to you today. They message me today. And they tell me this soca monarch is a nasty thing. Mr. Killer. You know why I turn around and tell them I call you Mr. Killer? Because I respect you, Mr. Killer. And I call you today and tell you, Mr. Killer, Trinidad and Tobago is a nasty place. We from Trinidad and I hate Trinidad. I hate Trinidad and Tobago. I hate the people, the heads in this country. Not some of the people who good enough. They had the good people in them who locked on here. But I hate Trinidad. I'm bawling and I'm crying out for the world to hear. I'm a big artist. I'm an entertainer. They treated me bad. Look what they're doing. Chat the money. I will come and I go jam on the table. I'm at the gate and I'm waiting. And I'm begging the master to give me a walk with Peter. Now, coming with them I will be dealing. Because the things that they do me, I want to fix them personally. I want to fix them personally, you know. Now, we have a going on. We coming in, starting today, with two policemen, it is alleged. Inshan Mohammed, Snakey. Inshan Mohammed. Snakey. I put you in the pot. My Roberto fail. PC Pago who dead. Dead man PC Pago. Go and ask the family how he dead. Heart attack. Right? One dry coconut president, mother cunt. Dry coconut. Moses Charles. You have to stay in fucking Princeton with your fucking monkey man self and remain there and keep talking peace and take your fucking man and sing about Indrani. Tell me why you're horning me. So you trying to tell me you want to come out here and talk up in your ass, talk a nice talk. I will fucking cuss. Because all you want to promote is a fucking bullaman out there. And when I cussing, all you telling me I wrong, well no one are going to cuss fucking more and tell Mr. George Singh Holly mother cunt. Tell me some fucking GI with a dead fucking banana. I have to play Baba Steve just so Baba Steve Obia will make you fucking win the chatting monarch. Baba Steve called me personally and told me that it's he Obia that jam fucking KI. GI put the banana in your fucking bottom. It's good. It's good for your KI. You're a fucking shitong. You're a shit snake. It is alleged you're a fucking bullaman. That's what they say. Nishad Meru and the man they call Nival Chetlal. It is alleged the whole country saying all it was bullying. The whole country saying that talk on the street all about. Right? So let me come into the topic now. The Inshan Mohammed and Snakey from Sando Police Station. The man they call Chad Edwards. It is alleged from Sando Police Station. We investigating all here. Spread the video for me. And tell Mr. Snakey that the fucking people and them, that whatever it is alleged, where you're going and giving drugs on the block, and you're locking the fucking drug block, and giving the people them fucking police bullet to go and put on work and shoot fucking people. Mr. fucking Snakey, Gary Griffin had to run from fucking me. The Commissioner of Police, Gary Griffith, you're fucking undermining people by... People coming up and talking about the cases. You saw people only taking too long to realize that. Gary Griffith say that the cases have to go through he. And if he see that the case not making sense, the case null and void. The case null and void. Only get fucking PNM out of this country, boy. Get Faris Alwari and them mother cunt and them out of this country, boy. Get them by them is the problem in this country, boy. Them giving George Singh all the fucking money. Them tell George Singh nobody can do nothing. We giving you that money. Because Lenny said, you family tell Lenny said George Singh. You see the fucking Arab man did it? The mother cunt. You see him there? The fucking long head like a corness. You feel like afraid fucking all you. Gary Griffith, you are afraid fucking me by you the Commissioner of Police. The only how you are to come at me within the fucking law. Within the law. And you could go and do all the way you want. I go do it within the fucking Obia. I will do it within the Obia. And people in Trinidad and Tobago are too fucking nasty. They're nasty towards the writing. Big up Lisa baby, how you going, darling? I frustrated in Trinidad, girl. Trinidad and Tobago too nasty. I begging America and I begging all about to look into this. I love America and I love the people from my way. I hate fucking Trinidad and Tobago. I hate this motherfucking country. This fucking country is the nastiest fucking country you could ever get by. The fucking politician, the police, and the fuckers them in the country. George Singh, you a mother cunt, boy. Or let's spread this fucking Valley Rock bulletin, boy. I come follow today, you know. Let me tell you who I come for again now. Mr. Ian Allen. They talk on the street and people saying, you know the fucking killing them. But you're afraid to talk, you're afraid to dead. You're afraid to dead with it is alleged Bullaman fucking self. Your fucking Bullaman people say. It is alleged the public talking and saying you're a Bullaman. Bullaman, that way is. The fucking judge, Bullaman. Judge in the parliament, Bullaman in the parliament. Bullaman in fucking teacher, Bullaman in the church, Bullaman in the temple, Bullaman in the fucking TV. This country into Mr. Trevor says you and all two is a fucking Bullaman, a Bullaman fucking country. Because it's a fucking Bullaman talking about Bullaman. Yeah? You killing fucking people, Mr. Trevor says it is alleged. 5 people are come, they went by you and take bush medicine, what happened to them? They're fucking dead. 1 injection they give the man in Freeport. Wayne fucking father, the bike man Wayne. Opposite Freeport Hindu School. When you go along in the back there, it have a fella called Wayne. He have a father. You know his father name, man? And then the same man who bought all that money I give and a Wayne father. Eh? What is the first name? Can't remember him. Right? Correct, King. Start from the fish rotting from the head. 2 years are begging Gary Griffith to come in Maloney, come and deal with Shirley Lochan Singh with your fucking mother cunt nasty police from fucking South, Chad Mansingh and all of them fuckers in South coming up in the TV with it is alleged Bullaman fucking Ian Allen and you doing a great job. Where the fuck PC Pago is? Ian Allen, you can only go and talk about doing a great job, them mother cunt. Where the fuck Punisher was? He was on holidays. Somebody sent back the video. Trinidad and Tobago, the video where you see me and Ian Allen was talking and he come with the whatever it is alleged and Ian Allen come in the place. Ian Allen, you're a fucking fraud. You're a fraud in this country. You're taking money. You take 20, it is alleged you pay 20, not no ledge, it's a fucking fact. You pay $20,000 to burn down my fucking house and the commissioner of police know it. The fucking commissioner of police know everything. Because Trinidad and Tobago, when my house burned up the night, the first night a gunman come, shoot out fucking bullet. When I called Shogunna police station on the phone for hours, I have it recorded, none of them may come. You know why they come? Because the fucking commissioner of police called Shogunna police station and said, don't go for fucking, don't go nowhere to help Wakaman. That's why I tell TTPS and the fucking police them, all of them mother cunt. The fucking TTPS bullers. Or they never help fucking me, boy. I want no fucking help from no police. No mother cunt police. I want no friend. I want no help. And I don't want no fucking friend from nobody. I don't want no friend from no fucking body. I'm a lone ranger. Mr. Killer, me and you talk. How much money you spending in fucking Monarch? 95,000 the man say he spend. When he put the 2 things in his stage, he said, come on, I do a video on YouTube. And somebody sent it now. And I watch the video and I call Killer. Killer telling me, he said, brother, he said in the fucking Monarchy last year, he said, you know what problem I have, come on? He said, put it up on YouTube.
Yeah, but you see what, I see this boy on Breaking Dawn. He talk about how Mr. Killer went to the semi-final.
Reese, you and all too? No. Stephen Reese, call your mother cunt. Fuck you. That nothing hard of a fucking he take too long to talk about your mother cunt. With fucking Daniel Sander. When Daniel Sander talk about the fucking Bullaman, you and all the team up and fire the fucking man, and the next day the next man get in the content crash. Fuck Reeds, boy. I know. But Mr. Killer turned around and tell me, he said, Wakaman, the reason why George Singh and them, because he watching the Chutney Monarch, he said he understand why. He said, because Wakaman, you had it planned out. I hear you on your live. You say you have a drunk driving song, you want to go up and save the pieces of car, and you promote your song, you was going and jam them 1,000% Wakaman. I am feeling the energy, bro. Yes, Terry Basdale, I fucking vex. Right now, I vex, and I tripping off. Where I going through some certain things in my life. If I catch anybody out of timing coming around me, You respect your father. You respect your God. I love your father. But at the same time, I will have to dress back sometime and do what I have to do on my own God. I will have to do that, father. I will have to do that. Feel like even fucking Paul, you know? I want to change my name to your fucking take away your fucking girl. That's what I want to do. Right? Valicia, Lucas. I want to change my name to fuck your wife. Call me the wife fucker. Your wife fucker. That's why you change my name to. Not Wacko. Not fucking Wacko. Right? Because you look like you are all to that fucking bulla man. It's only the fucking bulla man. But the whole chat monarch is bulla man, boy. The whole chat monarch. They come and tell me in America. They say, well, come and change your clothes, put on tight pants. Act like we, move like we, you will get through. But I ain't not no fucking bulla man, Moses Charles. My father told me to shut one of your fucking ass. Eh? You ain't told me to that? Shut one of your fucking ass. Because you look like you are fucking two. Fuck you coming wrong me with me. No back again. Shit. Mr. fucking Ian Allen. Spread that video for Ian Allen. And tell Mr. Ian Allen the man they call Das. Where you come and lock me up for picking flowers and the fucking Bullaman Punisher. He was on fucking holidays and all he doing nothing. The commissioner of police is a fucking crook. He is a fucking crook. It's talking it straight. He undermining police. He hiding certain fucking thing. He hiding certain facts. He hiding Rowley facts. He hiding the millionaire facts. He hiding all the fucking police facts. Gary Griffith, they legalize gay in Trinidad and Ian is ranking #1 Bullaman. The #1 Bullaman, the #1 Bullaman. Ian is the man, I tell you, Ian is the man. Is the true that you take from the Waka? Which Sharon's auto, you was driving the Range Rover. 25,000 from Mr. Das. And the two old lady them crying and you're backing up that ass. Oh Bulagari, oh Bulagari. Oh, Bulagari, take this on Waka. It's because you're nasty, I will jam your way to Obia. Oh, Bulagari, take this on Waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam your way to Obia. Happy hour over, you have some days to go. I trust in God. I want the world to know that people only talking and it make me understand. When Ian come and tell me you're a bisexual man, oh Bulagari, take this on Waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam your way to Obia. Oh Bulagari, take this on Waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam your way to Obia. All that nasty mother cunt. Huh? You realize I'm not going to stop cuss. Look at here. The rocket Shiva come down in. That is the rocket Lord Shiva come down in. It's like a prick. Right? Don't bust the secret for them Trinidad and Tobago. Nasty pundit and pastor. Keep the secret. I is Bruce Lee. I want to be water. So much water in the world and it's undrinkable. Eh? Water make everything. If you want to give God any gift, give him something that make the whole world most of it, which is water. Go and watch Dora the Explorer and see where Dora gave the thing. Right? A new seal I make. New seal. All I pause the video, disciples. This one top here, this one here. New seal. Mark that in another book. Pray. God give me that. Now to the topic here today. I want to talk about fake watch and insurance auto. And I'm talking and I'm warning the public. And I want all of you to know that Ian Allen, the man that's begging down the road, calling you, what about the case with surely low chance it is a let Dexter Ogaro or Grau or fucking cunt gra. Whatever fucking gra is, mother cunt and them from fucking Princess Town in Cedar Hill. When you're going in there, it's about woman, it is a let Patricia Erica. Boom it a fucking court. Put me to court because they text in my fucking program. And it is alleged or they're giving the woman called Shirley Lochan Singh, the old money lender, or they're giving she fucking drugs, or they're fucking shopping the tablet. We have the tablet, we have everything. They're too nasty in this country. We call him Alexander. Alexander, you and all to that fuck up man, boy. All the fucking drugs in the ambulance. All the fucking racket going on. What about fucking Sandman? You're balling Sandman, I know your brother, I know. But all you had to fucking cry just now. All you had to fucking beg. All you go watch and see. We go see all in all the fucking bed. Kidney gone. You see what happened to Monish Temple? He whole fucking body and he whole fucking heart and lungs and everything so that's up work. Go and chop me fucking goat again now. Go and chop me goat again. Fucking nasty KI. GI, fuck you with the banana in your bottom. The dead fucking banana. He fuck you. KI, GI, beat your mother cunt. Spread the video for Bullaman KI, it is a lead. It's fucking good. Like the end of you. You're a shit tongue. Shit snake. Waste of time. Tell KIA say he's a fucking asshole. Vika Sahadeo, you's a waste of fucking time. Value up the can pay all the money. All the money. But Mr. Keller tell me it's 95 fucking $1,000 he's spending in the fucking Monarch. That I put Obia in the fucking Monarch, and I take the national chutney Monarch, and I take the chutney and the soca Monarch, and I wrap them up in the fucking Obia pot, and I have all of them boiling up. Right now they're cussing in chutney Monarch, all the artists calling man cussing, all of them cussing in Trinidad and Tobago. They cussing. What do you think they're cussing for? They say they get robbed. GI, your fucking song Banana, it's a better song right now in the shit the chutney Monarch, it's a better shit than fucking that. Eh? They rob fucking Anthony Batson if it's so. They rob fucking Nigel Gobin if it's so. And put fucking GI, dead fucking Banana, Trinidad and Tobago, let me build up this life. And I want to tell all you, I warning the Americans them, don't come down Trinidad, don't come down Trinidad, don't vote for Keith Rowley. There's the most nastiest thing in this country, boy. There's the most nastiest thing this country can ever get is Keith Rowley and the fucking clan, boy. That what happening. And when I talk about Ian Allen, and I talk about fucking Gary Griffin, I come and tell all everything. Look, the police, them saying it here by jury, the judge critical of COP request lawsuit. Gary Griffin don't answer nobody. He is police. The man say if he have to come for you, he will work within the law. Within the law, Trinidad and Tobago. Let me see your phone there. Let me sing the song. I will give all you a piece in the song where I had for the Chutney Monarch. That I had for Chutney Monarch. I'm talking about the, I come to talk about autistic child. With the lady, when I keep telling all you about autistic children, my brother have an autistic child he had to deal with. It don't be easy. The boy did be frustrated. Autistic child, the man raped the woman. Eh? We live in a country where you're getting choked and dead by gun and dumpling. Eh? We living in a country where the people and them, look how they dying. Man hang himself, kill his daughter, but it's a zombie, a demon in this land. Next one jumping and bowling. But it's the Baphomet go to the hog puja. With the man they call Steve from Tobago, Keith Rowley. And tell everybody like to zombie and the goat puja and the hog puja. I correct him and tell him in Tobago where Steve they, you realize all them Obia man, all them running by. Big up to Baba Steve. Baba Steve, me and you still be good. I will jump fucking GI, but I let you know, GI beat fucking KI. He rest the fucking dead banana in KI fucking bottom. KI, you get fucking wood all corners in your mother cunt. You and your nasty father called Virendra. Don't go and support them. That Chutney Island is fuckery. Look who going? Anil Beam, fucking bun face Anil Beam. You saw me face looking? What inside Anil Beam coming look in his fucking face? The $2 million check where Kamala gave Ravi, where they gave Ravi B was to win the Monarch. When he didn't win the Monarch, he tell the people them take something and pelt on the stage. And Ricky Jai pay me money, he and fucking KI pay me money to jam Ravi B and book a ticket and gone away. You understand? Dean Martin, I don't give a fuck about most people. Due respect, I love you, Dean Martin, love you. But I don't give a fuck about who on the life, how many people in the life, who view, because I don't do this for viewers. I do this for fucking souls. And I cussing. You know what I'm cussing for? Because they're nasty in Trinidad. They how we dying, they how we suffering. Keith Rowley, we can't sell nothing in HEC, and fucking Kiss coming and selling. Philip Edward Alexander, how are you jam Keith Rowley, boy? Jam Keith Rowley. I don't have Obia, but it's the natural mystic that blow through the air. It's the natural mystic that Kevin Mukesh Rago. I wanted to tell the people and them what really going on in this country. No, Mr. Killer, when I talk to you today, sir, I call you Mr. Killer. And you tell me about how Trinidad Soca Monarch wicked. You say you had 2 cranes and the man can't use the crane. The day of the Monarch, they said they don't want to use it. The man had to hide the boat. Because I wasn't in Soca Monarch, remember? I had the performance. The man had to hide the boat. When I was in Chutney Monarch, Mr. fucking George Singh, and it is alleged your Bullaman fucking son, all his lawyers, but I got to teach all you what is Obia. When you see that you know I was coming to enter Chutney Monarch, why you didn't say Wakaman, you would be doing live, and you're cussing people we don't want you, but you fucking picked me last year, you're afraid for to pour up all your mother cunt, and they say you better talk to Alwari, and Alwari tell everybody, you don't go ahead, we giving you the money, no matter who against you. Your mother cunt. Right? And when you turn around and do that now, you wait for to record my song and spend 12 fucking thousand. Eh? George Singh, George Singh, all you don't know me, all you don't know me, George Singh. In my long time days, I call the fucking police and come down my fucking Southex and bend up that cutlass in your fucking head, George Singh. And as the police them reach right there, I flame it on the fucking air too, George Singh. Make a fucking jail for something good and make history front fucking papers. Wakaman bend up a cutlass on George Singh fucking head for robbing we in the chutney monarch and cutting deals with the taxpayers' money, All your mother cunt. The fucking money, where Killer spend in his Soca monarch. He say he spent 500,000 by and more to win. To get it, and the next mother cunt called Iwa George with your ugly fucking self. You're the most ugliest fucking artist in this land. Iwa George, your ugly mother cunt. Your ugly fucker. Iwa George, your mother cunt. Fam and happy with your long face like a fucking tuntun mango. But you fuck all them, boy. Benjai. Don't talk about fucking Benjai. Benjai, all your mother cunt too. I love to you. The fucking Facebook, they reported me. They reported me. That's all they could do. Now hear this song. Hear the fucking song. I was going and sing for Chutney Monarch, call you. The voice is so hot, eh? Now I'm moving up at all the drunk driving and all the people that dying driving and crash. Not fucking banana to represent this country, boy. I sing in this song to help curb gun and drugs. I beg in the nation to help me sing this song. I invite everybody to come and sit with me, but have a sober driver to take you home safely. So I'm moving with me designated driver. For when you see a fetting and not drinking me liquor, I'm moving with me designated driver. I sing in this message, I want you to take it from work. Hey, I want to cry them mother cunt. You know why? I will fucking cuss them. Wicked. I was coming out Terry Bastille with pieces of car. All the children that die. All the fucking crash in the country. And promoting and Chutney Monarch Singh. Something for the fucking youth tonight. Not them mother cunt shit you have. And that I was bringing to represent 25 years of Chutney Monarch. But all the two mother cunt. I sing in this song to help curb gun and drugs. I beg in the nation to help me sing this one. I invite everybody to come and sit with me, but have a sober driver to take you home safely. So I'm moving with me designated driver. For when you see a fitting and not drinking the liquor, I'm moving with me designated driver. I sing in this message, I want you to take it from work. Mother cunt. Take that in all your mother cunt. And then Samaru, you're that shit snake. You buy a song from Blues, where Blues sing years ago, by all your mother cunt to buy. Some of all you're carrying out your wife and children, but stop on the way to take a drink with a friend. From one bottle, it leads to another. You're putting your family life, boy, in real danger. So I'm moving with me designated driver. For when you see a fitting and not drinking me liquor, I'm moving with me designated driver. I sing in this message, I want you to take it from work. Talk, like joke. Autistic children. When you drink and drive and you stay alive, when you drink and drive and you sacrifice, when you drink and drive, you want to the alcohol in your nerves. When you get cold over, you want to fuss. Females, you're making a fuss. Come back to buy your wardrobe. Your wife keep calling the phone, she wants to come home. 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 When you reach home, boy, you got a fuss. The 3-year-old is making a fuss. Boy, alright, you're gonna have it, boy. Wicked. Right? I get a voice note here, hear it. No, hear what? Shirley Lochan Singh, when she was home, the police come and the man paid the police to take she and carry she in her home and give she injection and she was a healthy woman. And hear the voice note.
She's still saying she's not going.
You have to.
So just come and bring a house when I get sick and you drop down. All the social welfare people come and fix you up yesterday.
They carry us because but
no, what I tell her, how she reach?
how she was sick. No, they come to me.
Right, and how they get as a police.
They tell me to dress and organize. But the
Amy, let's make them careful. I come down here to cover it, yeah?
Yeah, but they come, look back the gate. Yeah, but they come, Shirley, they say she don't, it's the kind of don't she don't want to go, you don't know how she calling in the house. They say that's how she leave she home now, or they leave she home today now. Or they leave she home.
Call the police. Call the police.
No, but the
You hear me, the man saying? Call the police.
She don't want to go, you don't know how she calling in the house. They say that's how leave she home now, or they leave she home today now. Or they leave she home.
No.
Ambulance coming through and to be going to lay on or something. That woman healthy, yeah? Because I went in the home and I have it recorded in the home. That when we went in the home, the owner of the home, it is alleged Patricia, Erica, or whatever your name is. You're hiding you're hiding public, you're hiding people who know the woman. You're hiding people that woman went and saved their life. She gave them money and the people decide to go and meet the woman to thank them, and that what all you're doing by? That what you're doing fucking Dexter? Like the kind of nasty thing all you're doing and the fucking police and them. But well, cause Ian Allen mother can't buy Ian Allen taking money to fucking turn the case down. Same thing with Alexander. You realize I keep telling all your Han Arnold business place, a place in Aranguez, had a footage with a fella called Bob from Aranguez, a ranker. I don't afraid fucking them, right? And the brother called Shivanan. And Shivanan, they beat up the retarded boy and he fucking dead. And they went and they was getting the footage. And they went and spent millions of dollars to get the footage out of Han Arnold business place with fucking, with Alexander and Ian Allen. It is alleged. You understand? So it's the same with the police and every one of them that when it comes to money, they're working hand to hand. Everybody working hand to hand. Minister, corrupt police, Bajan, all of them is hand to hand. So when they really check it out, the crooks and them can't go because the fucking people who trying to prevent the crook, them is the fucking crook. That is what happened in Trinidad and Tobago. But I real shot me. So our next song follow before I go. See how your next song follow before I go. I don't want to hear shots. Yeah, hear shots. And next song. Hey, y'all say she ready. Oh. The waka man, whoa. The girl say she ready. Alright then. Oh, girl not strong and ready. My body ready. My waistline ready for carnival. Oh, girl not strong and ready. My body ready. My waistline ready for bacchanal. To wind up on your bumper, push hard. For the bumper, wind back behind the big truck for carnival. You see them girls get on dirty. Look how they looking wassy. The whole body muddy for carnival. So say Makama met a different company. Say Makama met a different company. Promoter that book me fast. Wakaman in the chat me brass. Say Makama met a different company. Say Makama met a different company. Whining in a until we soaking that to wind back on your bumper, push hard for the bumper, wind back behind the big truck for carnival. To see them girls get on dirty. Look how they looking wassy. The whole body muddy for carnival. So hand in the air, drinks in the air, drinks in the air. Jump up and down like if you don't care, like if you don't care, like if you don't care. Move to the left, move to the left, move to the right, move to the right. Jiggle around, down to the drum, the down to the drum. Hey, I'm strong and ready, my body ready. Let's sing it out for carnival. Oh, girl, I'm strong and ready, my body ready, my waistline ready for carnival. To wind up on your bump. a bumper wine back behind the big truck for carnival. You see them girls get on dirty. Look how they looking wassy. They whole body for carnival. Oh girl, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl. Hey, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl. Mother Scott, about to fucking cuss them. Yeah, the next one again. I just busting tune for them, yeah, now. I gone now. After this one, I will more. But the waka man say, don't stop your work, cause it's beautiful. But the waka man say, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Girl, you're looking so wonderful. You know to yourself you're beautiful. This one goes to connect the girls like fiber optic around the world. The way how you walk, lady. The way how you talk, lady. You captivate and you blow my mind. The way how you just walk and shake your behind. Yellow wine, yellow wine, yellow wine down low. Buck out your waistline wine. Yellow wine down low. Balance on it, yellow wine down low. With all your friends them wine. Yellow wine down low. Throw away your problem, girl. I want to see your wine down low. Girl, I want to see you touch your toe. Girl, I really love how you wine in the bar. And then you come and wine inside of my car. You wine all about and you reach in my house. Just like Tom how he chases the mouse. Twist it, spin it like a twister. Shake it like you think you shine like the star. Yellow wine down low. Yellow wine down low. All the beautiful ladies, you know. Love all you. For all those sexy girls, I sing this for you. For all those pretty girls, I sing this for you. For all those sexy girls, I sing this for you. For all those pretty girls, I sing this for you. Yellow wine down low, buck out your waistline wine. Yellow wine down low, balance on it. Yellow wine down low. With all your friends them wine. Yellow wine down low. Right, back to the topic here now. Entertainment, that. Come again now. From Black Salon we going today. Okay, right. Now we're talking about the autistic child now. Entertainment, right? We go down a little bit here now. We're going into Mr. Killer. I talk to you, brother, and I understand, and I want to tell you something. You is a winner. Killer, you win Soca Monarch again this year. By your vibes and your power and by whatever it is. Because if last year you say you give 1,000%, this year you was given better than last year. And I see the kind of shit they're singing. Mr. Killer, big up to you, bro. I talked to you today. You even tell me you're going to like about doing a voodoo song with me. Mr. Killer, that fucking Obia Man song. Don't study about me, you know. You tell me you care about my cussing and things. Back up to cuss everybody, right? Because you tell me Popcorn cussing, Cartel cussing, all the big artists, all the fucking men in a way. Every song they're singing, mine's up in your clip and your mother cunt and all the artists in Trinidad cussing. And I fucking cussing and I wrong because all they're trying ways to come at me. All they can fucking come at me. The commissioner of police, he and all what a fucking hide. Because everything I keep bringing to him is about the fucking chosen one. It's about the money man and them. It's about the partner and them. It's about a big million them. They're fucking afraid. They're afraid. Ian Allen Keon dead. You hear nothing about it. Who shoot him, Meister? Big fucking Kaimet head Meister. Alright, let me go again. People, I warn all you. I warn all you and tell all you about Carnival and what has come in Carnival. And I warn the woman in America who died. Foreigners, coming or air coming. All you watch all yourself, eh? Watch all yourself. Mr. Nasty Big Rich. Nasty Big Rich. Spread this video for Big Rich and tell Big Rich, Wakaman, come back for you. Wakaman come back for you and your whole Bullaman factory. Right? The Big Rich and the Bullaman factory, I come for all you. You big stink mother cunt, Big Rich. You will fucking suffer and dead. The fucking Obia that jammed me with the fucking van in Riverlet Road. You remember when they crashed in the van? That the time I was fucking wooling you with Obia. It now start by. You see your fucking brother dead terribility? How terribility dead? When we used to go by terribility, you want to hear from fucking Big Rich. He don't want he own brother, like. The man own brother. What about Tinil? We go with Bulaman Francois. Fucking Bulaman Francois who it is alleged bullying one of these Samis and them. By all of them mother cunt by. Next one today. A woman talking. And she's saying, weed kill coronavirus. Sharon suck their wife. Unless me give $100,000, you have to fucking pay. Spread that video for fucking shit. Don't make Shorty and fucking little Bulaman Sharon's brother. The little short mother cunt. Shorty or Hardy or Cardi or your mother cunt. Right? Don't come and tell me come for $2,000 and every month I want my fucking 100,000, otherwise it's all behind on your mother cunt. You saw the next one get kidnapped and then next one. And anybody who are acquainted with these mother cunt and them, all you go pay innocently. Don't say me a fucking one all here. Just like fucking Ian Allen, you was acquainted to them. That's why you and Alexander get wooden all them mother cunt. Anybody acquainted to people who doing fuckery in this country, bad things happen to them. They'll be looking good. They're going to be looking good in our program. Things going good. They're going to be everything with good. But I learn all I know. They're not fucking good. They're not good, Trinidad. They look good. But in between, when the upholder, they call it the upholder, is worse than the thief. When you encourage these people to thief people's van, Mr. fucking Ian Allen. Because when we come by you, you're protecting him. You're protecting this mother cunt who dead and rotten and gone. That fat mother cunt. You're protecting fucking he. Your mother cunt, boy. I will never forget you, boy. You have to fucking remain in the TV there and hide with your fucking Bulaman fucking self. Sharon's wife, we fake watch there. Fake watch come when Sharon get fucking lock up. But when Sharon had to get bullet and he had to get fucking drop down, Ian Allen had to fucking run. Them fellas in the fucking beat him, say Ian Allen is a nasty mother cunt. You take bribe from them. The fellas in the beat him, come in to talk and say who my money and whatever they pay, not to fucking talk Ian Allen. Yeah, everything coming out in Ian Allen. And the police, people, and anytime Ian Allen taking money from all you, and anytime Ian Allen hiding case from all you, and anytime Ian Allen don't want to take all the case, all you come by me. All you come by me. Anytime Ian Allen fucking all you up, anytime I have police, like Punisher, the woman, tattoo man, Babu Lal and them, there's mother's cunt. Ian Allen going and taking them off duty. He rank him with the commissioner. He rank him with Meister. He rank him with this one. Me and no working and rank they ranking. But they rank with each other. And they flux with each other. And they fucks with each other. And they fucking up the whole of Trinidad and Tobago. And the mother cunt people so fucking blind. They're so blind. It come like a man we getting horn. Eh? A man getting horn. And he can't believe it. You're going, you're seeing a man going with your wife and going somewhere, coming back out with your hair ramful, and you're still saying you're getting on. The girl have a hickey on she fucking neck, you're saying it's a mosquito bite you. That when you know why? That when you're a fucking cunt. There is a difference being a cunt and a caca-hole and a nice fella. There is a difference being so. Today I fucking vexing. Oh. Somebody put a brother, I just want to say thanks for doing what you're doing, continue to feed the truth. The people will thank you in time, even by force. Stay strong, brother. Respect. Thank you, brother. Next year, the man said, Chutney Monarch, I want to go and sing Baya, don't squeeze me, Zabuka. Yeah, come and do it. But when you're doing that, I put wrong and say correct. Yeah, you could do that. But you have to fucking turn a Bulaman and join the Bulaman factory, which is Mahatu or fucking Big Rich. And when you join them two Bulaman factory and you have to fuck in your bottom, then you have to go by George Singh. And when you go by George Singh and you fuck in your bottom by George Singh, then you're going to end up in the final. Not fucking me. I bypassed all of them in the fucking Obia. Because the first year I ever end up in that Chutney Monarch was last year. And I only end up there through my fucking mouth, through cussing them, and through fucking up the chutney industry they put me there. And what they put me number 8. Moses Charles, I come for you proudly, you're saying you're that fucking Bulaman, by all of them mother cunt, by all of them mother cunt. I tell them all their God is punish, God is kill, God kill in the sea. What about Bathsheba? What about King David? People who, let me tell you something here. Christians, spread the video for the Christians coming out. Because I come to fuck up everybody in religion, eh? Trinidad and Tobago, go and ask a pastor how King Solomon born. Junior Ali, Terry Basdale, here is knowledge today. How King Solomon born? King David is a king. King David see Bathsheba bathing. And when he see Bathsheba bathing and he see the bottom and he see the tuts, he get a urge. and his center foot stand up. Because Bathsheba had the gift to make the pants front lift. So when Bathsheba have the gift to make the pants front lift, King David called a man and said, send a man in front and let you fight. And when the man dead, King David went with the man's wife. When King David make the first child, what happened? The child dead. King David had to go and ask for forgiveness. So how God could allow a man to kill a man, take a girl, make a child, the first one dead, make a next child, and he come out to be King Solomon? Father Abraham had a child. He didn't listen to God. His wife went and he went with the maid, sleep with the maid, make a child, and he didn't listen. And what happened? God decided that Father Abraham make a outside child, he make a mistake. God decided to take the mistake and make it a great leader. The problem with Trinidad having when you're having fucking problem and you're going through problem, wife leaving you, no money, you're hungry, you like to run by fucking pundit man, or you like to run by Obia man, or you like to run by mother's cunts. So all you're going to get more fucking wood again. Because when the Heavenly Father see above that he putting you through some tests, make your wife leave you, make this happen to you, make you walk the road, make me lost my van, make me go through all them things, and he's seeing you running by fucking Obia man, he go tell you, you fail. You fail. What making all you go by Obia man? What does make people go by Obia man? Why? Because they don't want to go through where they had to go through by. Although run from all the sin by. You're running and you're running and you're running away. You're running and you're running and you're running away. But you can't run away from your sin. Who feels it knows it, Jah. You understand? So that is one. Let me go again now. This fella talking about shame, telling us shame, the thing gone up. What this here? Yeah, King David too. All of them. God kill. God is punish. God is punish. God is kill by. God kill the people in the sea. God give King David strength to kill Goliath. So let's feel me a praying and I wouldn't pull along. Come. I have to fight for my right now. What's going on here? Autistic daughter. People are asking the government. Trinidad and Tobago, all the children about autistic government, please help them now. Please help them now. Parents are a bit hard. I line. That last year video, watch. Every day I say over 15,000 people, watch. So I had to go now, people. Watch. 11 kill in 24 hours, granny. Because the land cursed by. This land curse. This land curse of power. This land curse of money. This land curse of vanity. This land tie up. Anybody doing anything to do anything to get money by. They will kill you for money by. They will kill you for fame. Anybody doing anything to get attention by. I warn all you, go take my warning. Now, this girl come and talking. And she's saying, all you go up and watch it. Here where this woman turn around and say, Diana, I know me and you good. You turn around and say, go on the highway and the byway with that message. Go to the streets and to the people. Alright. Correct is right. But where they have Facebook for? To only show Bolaman, only show Kia with she two breasts, only show them that have fuckeries and them and men begging for money. And the next one for crime, not saying support this, support that. And I, the man sacrificing my life, willing to dead fucking out here. And we didn't ask nobody for a fucking cent. The people and them that who want the support, they will go in a road where have a lot of people walking down. And the road where have a lot of people, they wouldn't fucking go there. That's what going on. This woman talk something very good.
I think it's just a spirit of fear that's been keeping me.
About Noah and the ark. That when I come and we telling them things, people don't want to hear we.
I've just asked him for courage and
right? I want all to go and see it. The reason
what he has asked me to do.
Right? I want all to go and see it. I'm going to make all the more interesting to go and look into it. Wassa, Trinidad and Tobago. Who could remember, after talking this week, I'm bringing it up for you, after talking this week, Trinidad and Tobago, about the people from away, Johannes, I warned them, don't come in Trinidad, cancel Carnival. They cancel it. Alright. Now, I warn people that if they investigate Wassa, months ago, Wassa probably going to lose election. Madam Kamala prayed, she prayed to investigate Wassa because nasty man Ganga saying you and all to go ahead and get locked up. I realize the two all are fucking doing this country by. I realize the PNM and UNC, I realize the two all are doing this country by. No, I'm not on Kamala and Munir, but the rest are fucking them on. Wassa? The fucking OB arresting all their mother can't all you know what to do. The fucking man they call Rubney Thomas, mother's cunt, it is alleged, if you fucking up this country, boy, or you're thieving out all the money, boy. Or you get rid of Keith Rowley, I'm begging all you, or you get rid of Keith Rowley, get rid of the, watch why, all you. Watch why, that is the family, or you fucking get judging all this competition, boy. 10 years UNC, 46 years PNM. But let me tell you something, That 10 years with UNC in there, I can let you know something. Sometime in life, if you have to count it so, somebody could be somewhere for 46 years, and somebody come for 1 fucking year, and what they do in 1 year, 46 years, they fucking pay for that, Do you respect the year, brother? And that's saying, And now I query no talk. I query no politics talk. All of them is the fucking same. All of them. Right? Just so that, I'm gonna fucking sing something and let you know. Let them know one time. Somebody could come for 46 fucking years. Somebody could come for 10 years. And the person who did for 5 fucking years do more than, cause more trouble than for 46 years. Of which you're correct. PNM is a mother cunt. Correct is right. Of them, let you know the truth. Correct is right. PNM is a mother cunt, brother. Here it man, gone.
Thing gone mad.
Hear the song.
Politician are we going mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the poor people just keep suffering. Politician are we going mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Politician are we going mad. Look how they thieving out Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the government talk about winning. Politician are we going mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the government talk about winning. Hey.
I miss the fake oil, race, kidnapping, murder. Get out the face, no roads, no water. The golf course grooming, but the pitch lake missing. 1% media pushing an agenda. Failed state companies paying you salaries. Gas going up when the hardship stop. Rich in birth, laughing at we. No riot yet. Yes, we should be the biggest budget in history. But they saying that the treasury empty. Who thief more from all are we? The PNM or the UNC? Keep the faith and time will tell. No more racial voting, let them burn in hell.
Things matter. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Politician are we going mad. Look how they thieving out Trinidad.
Mafia in the music, Mr. Killer. Mafia in Trinidad music. Mafia. They fucking we up, boy. They wicked. They wicked.
Hey!
Live sports gone with all we money. No one get charged. Minister too busy. If they're not romping, you know they roaming. Female reporter, you know they buying. Hard working PNM minister, joking with himself on camera. That is why no work can't be done. Where is the heritage? Children's life fun. Kamla bill, low income house, $1 million each. What a louse. New road bill, mash up already. Cause to contract to friends and family. The system was designed by thieves in parliament to protect each other from getting judgment. No one get charged, no matter how they steal. Divide us by race. That is the deal. Message now inbox it. All on YouTube. But the Bakaman thing is going man at 2. It's a one with a red and one with a blue.
Tax people money everywhere, and the government talk about winning. Politician are we going mad. Look how the thieving out Trinidad. Hey! Liquor too, Jumbie, Bridgeman Ferry, Sandal, scandal, corruption, secrecy. Maxi get taxpayers' money. Foreign health bill you see. Now tell me, Mr. Rowley, what about the poor in the country? Tourism dead, housing failure, healthcare don't care, education disaster. Agriculture minister planting nothing, culture ministry discriminating, national insecurity, justice system killing we. 1% benefit from criminality. Kamla Keith, same party. every ministry is a joke in the country. When will you open up your eyes and see things mad? Look how the things they know.
Here you are with Sharon Otto now, and I'm gone.
Thing gone mad. Politician, now we going mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting.
After here now I'm gone.
People them keep flying. Politician, now we going mad. They destroying Trinidad. Politician, now we going mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the poor people them keep suffering. Hey, politician, now we
Spread the video so the racial soak you and the racial soak down 100,000. Give them that fucking money. Right? All you too fucking nasty. The whole family let them fucking pay you too.
phobia, race,
Killing, power, money, fame, the roads, the water, hungry unemployment with the money spent. Lotto rig, propaganda and health. Everybody now want to throw in the belt. Only gods know your pain, how you felt. Take this and waka they by the media. Money talks, me say bullshit walks. And when you see God come and destroy the earth, then we go see what life really worth. Baphomet court versus Hog Puja. The unrulies only killing Rasta. Everybody taking, stealing what they want. Only intend to tell them all them under.
look how they destroying Trinidad. Politician, now we going mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Tax people money only wasting, and the poor people
Them keep suffering.
politician, now
Get the
we
last verse
going
now.
mad. Look how they destroying Trinidad. Hey, the
Like-
money you have.
It can't buy life. You see what you have, it goes to your wife. Sharon Otto, the big car dealer. Down in cremation site by you blazing in fire. Senior policeman are walking round the clock. Some of them take bribe, look they lost their work. Two of them only horning each other. One kill one in Grand Bazaar. A politician went in Venezuela. Your mother cunt. Bring the Venezuela fucking zombie here. Right, now, make sure that this here. Trinidad and Tobago are begging all to do this. Trinidad and Tobago and the world love this video on YouTube.
Where would I be?
Hey, Bedrin, they got bell. Bedrin, yeah, that's my brother, boy. I don't know who you are, bro. Hey, brother, my mother dead and gone, but it was too late, boy. And I asked anybody who have a mother. Who have a mother now? Hug up your mother and kiss your mother. Hug up your mother. Hug up your parents. Hug up your father. Go now and do it. Go now. Do it. I'm begging all to do it. All I want to see I do it too. Look my father there. Watch. Watch him. Watch.
Selector, you better pull up the one you feel, mama. Proud of your mama. Sing loud for your mama. Yeah, I make sure you're happy. She from your heart, tell me.
All do it. Go now. Go now. Hug up your mother. Hug up your father. Hug them up. Trinidad and Tobago. Hug up mommy boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. Brethren. And round of applause, brother. Amen. Amen. All you. Send this fella. Tell this fella what to see him. Tell that fella. Message that man and say what come and want an interview with you. I love you fella, brother. My brother from above. My brother from God, boy. Amen. 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 A man rubbing him on her foot and put on Facebook. Massaging she foot and putting everything for she. Very good, brother. It had a mother cunt on Facebook to do that. They ain't love their fucking mother. They're nasty. Wicked that are mothers cunts on them. Watch. Watch. What these buller man on them. Watch them. What the big breast mothers cunt fucker here. Watch him. Johannes, I hear in here. The mother's content that way. But hey, you see this? You see this yet? And I've been up this in your fucking face, boy. If I only fucking catch you doing that, like. I bend up that cutlass in your fat mother cunt. I chop up that fucking two breasts you had and bring you back to a fucking man. Right? This woman here, although you see she talk about her son, and I feel she hurt today. And the woman who talk about the autistic child. You feel the video with she? What do you think about she? Yeah.
The child don't know and the man come and rock up the child.
How that make you feel to know how key and your own son have a child, and you know? But me don't like that, and let me tell you something, my brother, I'll be going through a real hard time, And I'm asking the government and they're supposed to be helping. Now we have a little youth, a little child. She went somewhere and bust her teacher windscreen, you see it?
Yeah.
Like demons. Demons.
Look at now, the one they have put up there with 2 men in a...
With a girl, a child, yeah. Two big stink hard stones, man. No, I wasn't warning mothers and their daughter. Trinidad and Tobago, all the warnings are given earlier. I wasn't warning mother and their daughter, check their daughter. Their daughter taking 2 men one time more than them. And bringing phone, it is alleged Delilah. I hear your daughter getting one amount of rich phone and rich gold, and one amount of gold for man. I hear you selling your daughter, Miss Madam Delilah. It is alleged. Delilah, don't make me fucking come for you, you know, Delilah. You just talk up in your mother cunt sometime. I always tell the people and everybody that you're a fucking crook. And people take too long to fucking make all you out. That way you're doing with your children. Johaned, the whale, that joke. The amount of fucking fish going dead just now. Fukushima tank their mother cunt, Johaned. I'm mad. I'm mad. Mr. Killer, he jammed them. Regrello, nasty man Regrello. Your son fucking day in the board. Your son day in the board. All of this is the nasty mother cunt that stop you from feeding the fucking people. This big stink mother cunt here. Regrello, my mother cunt. I had a cuss. I fucking cuss and I don't want to be a bulla man. I want to cuss and if all that accept me cussing if all I want. I'm not being a fucking bulla man and come and talking like. Watch. That fucking Regrello. That mother cunt Regrello. He. That mother cunt Regrello. He. Watch. Watch him. Watch. Right? Them alone must enjoy and be good.
Jam them.
Them alone must be good, Trinidad and Tobago.
Regrello. I can't Regrello. He.
Them alone, Trinidad and Tobago must be good. So this is the voice of Wakaman is here. And I'm asking everybody that locked on and spread this message. If they could go up and see the hill. If they could spread the message to the police. Spread the message to Shogunas. Spread the message to All About. Spread the message to Mr. Gary Griffith. And tell Gary Griffith that I say to fire himself. And he is not doing a good job. And I want the public and the people that I want a new government. That they could give me a job. Give me a work. I working for free. Because I take not a fucking cent for what I'm doing. And go around the country and give me police. Give me this. Give me authorization. And let me go for the people in this country. Go so quick Ian Allen going and fucking jump out TV. You go so quick you wouldn't want to watch fucking Ian Allen again. Because why? Or they will get to realize who is the real fucking man out there. Because half of the people that rocking with Ian Allen, all of them are fucking crook. And then the last thing I'll tell you tonight, Mr. Ian Allen, where they love and respect all you. Don't know. I ain't afraid nobody.